Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Mrs. Six and I am going to be your English 108 teacher. Just wanted to take a minute and tell you how the first week of school is going to run and just give you some important information. So the first thing I want to do is give you my contact information in case you need it for any reason before you jump into our class. My extension is 7249. And my email address is here. That obviously you can access that through your OHVA information as well. The other thing is I just want to let you know how this week's going to run. It's going to be different because you're going through orientation that first day with your advocate. So on Monday in the morning and the afternoon, you should be with your advocates. You will not be in your classroom at all. On Tuesday and Thursday, the first week of school, that's when you're going to be meeting with me. Our English time is 9:15 to 10:10, and that's a protected time. So what that means is no other teachers are allowed to teach during that time. So math is not allowed, social studies, science, that's only a protected English time. So you should always be available to come to Class Connect during that time. So Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll be meeting with you and we'll be going through orientation for our English class. During that time, I am going to ask you to complete a few really simple, quick assignments. The first is an introduce yourself assignment, and I'll show you in our classroom where all of these things are located. And the second is a readiness test. And then the third is a email etiquette assignment. I will tell you that there are going to be videos explaining how to do all of these things in the classroom, so be sure to watch those, and it'll give you further explanation. And I'm also going to cover those in our Class Connect as well, the first week of school, okay? And then on Thursday and Friday, you will be in math testing. You may not necessarily be with me. The students are split up into about 25 students, and I may have like one of you as my student, or I may have none of you. But your MAP proctors will probably not be one of your normal English, science, math teachers. It may be someone completely different. So just to make you aware of that. Okay, so look for emails from the teacher who is going to be working with you for MAP testing, and plan to do MAP testing on Thursday and Friday that first week of school. So I'm going to show you really quick, in our announcements every week, we have our weekly schedule, which is kind of what I just showed you. And then we're also going to have a pacing guide, and this obviously is going to get built on throughout the school year. So you're going to want to make sure to look at that every week when you log in to know what assignment is open, when it's due. And then, like I said, I'm just going to show you real quick where our getting started or orientation folder is. So getting started in orientation assignments right here. It's one of the very first things you'll see when you pop into the classroom and you look at our content. And there are a few videos. There's an English orientation video, an introduce yourself video, shows you how to do that assignment, the readiness test video, the email assignment. So if there's a video in our class, it's really important, if I've created that, that you watch it, because it's going to help you and it's going to answer probably any question that you have about that assignment. And it will definitely be a benefit for you to watch those. So the first week, you're going to focus on this folder, and you're going to make sure to have that information and those things done before the end of the week. So I'm so excited to have you guys in class this semester, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys all on that second day of school, and enjoy the rest of your summer.